Cherry, go!
Today's Cherry Challenge, the Plastic Soccer Dart Challenge. The assistant on the right-hand side is going to fire those darts at amazing speed into Cherry's armpit. He's going to try and catch as many as he can in 30 seconds. Are we ready?
Yes.
Cherry.
3, 2,
Cherry,
1,
go.
Go!
He's caught one.
Each.
There's a fantastic sound of the dart smashing into the flesh underneath Cherry's arm. Please don't try this at home.
Son.
He is a pro. He's been practicing with this equipment for years now and has developed a fantastic technique of catching the darts underneath his arm. Actually not very successful at all, but still he has been practicing and he is a seasoned pro. Oh no, that's a totally underwhelming total of 5. Oh my, oh my.
Thankyoucherrymuch!